I received this battery repair charger for free in exchange for an honest review. It's from Gooauti and it works with both standard and maintenance-free batteries, but not lithiums. It doesn't make sense to test it out on my Scion TC as it's my daily driver, so I'm going to use it on my mom's car as it's rarely driven. Here's what the charger looks like. The power cable is only 3 feet long, and the charger cable is 5.5 feet. It comes with a fairly detailed manual. This side has all of the instructions on it, while the other is more informational along with troubleshooting steps. I've connected the battery first per the instructions. 12.1 volts. This definitely needs a recharge. Now if I press the mode button, you can see I can choose between 12 volt vehicle or 12 volt motorcycle modes. But that's about it. I've disconnected the positive clamp and plugged in the power just for testing purposes. Now the screen shows 0.0 volts, but when I press the mode button, you can now access the 6 volt mode along with the other two 12 volt modes. I'm going to switch it back to 6 volt mode and then reconnect my battery to show you what happens if you get the voltage mode wrong. That causes the abnormal light to flash since the battery is outside the set value of the charging mode. It'll also turn on if the battery is damaged or the polarity is reversed. Let's put it back on the correct mode now and reconnect the positive clamp. It'll take a couple of seconds, but it should automatically start charging. And there we go. This will charge until full and then automatically go into trickle mode. You can safely leave it plugged in afterwards to keep the battery full. You can long press the repair button for 3 seconds to enter pulse repair mode charging. This mode will desulfate the battery, which will help extend its life. If the battery is very dead and below 8 volts, you would double press the repair button to enter low voltage pulse repair mode. For this review, I'm just going to do a normal recharge. Let's take a closer look at the manual. We have 10 charging modes. Standby, when it's not actually charging the battery. Normal and winter charging modes for both 6 and 12 volt motorcycle and 12 volt vehicle modes. It looks like winter mode is automatically triggered when it's below 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius. 6 volt and 12 volt repair modes and low voltage repair mode. This section goes over how to use the charger. It looks like everything is pretty much automatic once you've chosen the correct voltage mode. As you saw earlier, you can access the repair mode by long pressing the repair button for 3 seconds. If the voltage is too low and the abnormal light turns on, you can access low voltage repair mode by double pressing the repair button. When in this mode, an exclamation icon will appear on the display below the wrench and screwdriver icon. If you use this mode, you need to monitor the process for the first 15 minutes to make sure the battery doesn't get hot or that there aren't any other issues. The other side has the specifications, a reference table for charging times, explanations for the icons and buttons, warnings and safety info, an overview of the intelligent charging process, how to troubleshoot, and the warranty card. Alright, I got some food to cook while this charges. I'm cooking sinigang for my dad's birthday, so I'm going to wait until I'm ready to go home before checking on the charger. The flashing green LED means the battery's full. Now to unplug everything. I like how easily the clamps fit over the terminals despite their compact size. Let's see if the charger is warm. Not hot at all. I'll try to do an update video where I test out the repair mode and low voltage repair modes, but so far this seems to work. It's extremely simple to use and its small size makes storing it in my car easy. I definitely recommend keeping an extension cord handy because the power cable is pretty short. I'll include a link to the charger in my video description below. If you haven't hit subscribe to my channel yet, please do so now, and as always, thank you for watching.